Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved my faux locks, bay locks. me. And I'm not this silly girl I used to be. This hair that I use is from Bobby Boss and it's called Bay Locks. It had yarn on some of the locks and I took the yarn off because I didn't like the color combination. The reason why I honestly got these locks was because I like the thickness of the locks. I like how thick they are, and so that's honestly the reason why I went with these, or this particular brand. I was going for a very thick, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Freedom Locks, but that's what they remind me of. They're not like your traditional locks, like Free Locks or Freedom Locks or Free Locks or whatever the hell you want to call it. They're more thicker, they look more nappy, they're not really constructed to be perfect. They're like, it's supposed to look more rugged, more unkept. I don't know how else to explain it. So that's what I was going for. People were saying I should have got the like new Bobby Boss or something like that, but I wasn't going for that look. I was going for the Freedom Locks look, and I felt like the Bay Locks give off that Freedom Lock vibe, and I'll show you guys pictures of what Freedom Locks look like. I'm thinking about adding like some different accessories like beads and things like that to make it look more like Freedom Locks, but this is what I got so far. And you guys, this was so easy to do. I tried the whole individual method and I did not like that. Like for these particular locks, the individual crochet, it's really not meant for individual crochet. Like it's not meant. These Bay Locks are not meant for individual crochet. It's meant for the traditional crochet. And the reason why I say that is just because of how they're made and how they're constructed. They'll unravel on you if you try to do the individual method. I tried it and I failed miserably. So I would recommend that you do the traditional braid pattern with the cornrows and you add in the locks that way. I decided to do something different. I wanted the connects on the side, so if I wanted to wear my hair flips over, then I could do that. And I thought it would be cute. I got the idea from Notorious Kia on YouTube and on Instagram. She did like the connecties with the beads, but she had like a fro, and I decided to do mine with the faux locks. So I think it's cute. This doesn't bother me when I sleep or anything like that. So I really liked how this hairstyle came out. It was super effortless. I think the total time that it took me to like install this was probably like maybe like 45 minutes. My braid pattern probably took me like 45 minutes. So all in all, on stretched hair, maximum is maybe like 2 to 2.5 hours. It does not take that long as long as you prep your hair and you do all the things that you need to do when it comes to protecting your natural hair and everything like that. The only thing that I would do differently, because when it got closer to the front of my face, I felt a little tension, and honestly I should have added in extensions. Like when I braided my hair, when I did my braid pattern, I should have added in some hair, but I didn't want to do all that, okay? I was trying to keep it simple. So that's the only thing that I would do differently, is I would add in some hair when you do your braid pattern, so that you could take tension off of the perimeter of your head. If you have thinning edges, highly recommend that you do that. My hair is pretty healthy and strong, and I don't plan on leaving this in long. It'll be fine. I love this. It's so cute, you guys. So I'll make sure to put the links down below in the description box of where I purchased my Bay Locs. I used either 6 to 8 bags of hair. So what do you guys think? I said I was gonna do more Afrocentric hairstyles this year. Do you like it? Do you like it? Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more Afrocentric hairstyles on this channel. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!